It's part 3 of our Daniel Boone backcountry byway trip, and in this episode we hit dead ends and have to rely on our winches to get us out of trouble. After the previous day's rain, the blue skies were welcome, and we set off to go and explore Furnace Pilot Road. We'll include the map in the comments below and on our Facebook page. Please like us on Facebook and don't forget to subscribe to The Road Less Explored. Justus was doing our navigation, and we followed him even though it meant making a detour or two. The entrance to Furnace Pilot Road goes right through a farmer's farm, and we stopped to greet the farmer on the way, and despite his warnings that the mud was pretty thick back there, we continued on.
Back up. So this gives me some means a bit of room. I need a bit of room to be able to back up. I'm going to back up a bit slower than you will because I need to take a video.
The previous day's rain had washed some gullies. Nothing major, but our spotters were out in full force to make sure we did it right.
I'm out of the screen. So I don't know. I'm not... Would you help Daddy make sure that he doesn't get horrified?
Daddy, there's a gap below you.
Yep, you'll fall down. Okay. Then you go back up to Mr. Jim. Everybody come through.
Now from Daddy coming.
Right, so listen, our escape route will probably be coming down here because remember he came towards us and he turned for us to come down here. So it's easier for us to come down here. They can't.
Come on.
Hop in.
Just be clear, boys.
Yeah, we will.
Have an escape.
We'll have one. Ronnie, look. Coming, we run back or that way.
Make sure you can get away, see?
Yep, you know, that way. Go back. Okay, now I'm gonna start moving backwards. Look, hop. Back up. Me back up. Ronnie, back up. Me. Back up. Ronnie. Over here, give me a video. Right here. Come here. Give me a video, Ronnie. Give me a video right here. Look at this. Ronnie, give me this. Move. Move. Please get back. There's a mud pit behind. Move. Get in mud.
I think I might let them Marc.
You're in.
I'm going to put Marc's feet in the front at this point. That way he can pull me up if we need to. And some
Oh, so he's coming out this way.
Yeah, I think so.
Ryan, be careful. There's barbed wire. Daddy likes going. Oh look, there's a flood coming. Look, man, Mr. Justus, who's here?
Oh, he did do that one.
Ryan, make it go get through here.
He's got it.
Yep. up on it. It's really slick up here. Whoa.
My boy's up.
I'm trying. It's super slick. Guys. Top up here. Yeah, you come here. Follow me.
Yeah, I gotta get
Dodge his bonfire. Look, come here. Come here. Give me footage. Ryan,
Your pumpkin is digging,
look,
and then you're sitting here.
look. That is bonfire.
With enough, if you hit it hard,
Touchdown.
I gave the harder line a try, but had to remember that I still had 400 miles driving to get back home, so decided that discretion was the better part of valor. Then Jim gave it a try too.
I don't know if this is poison ivy. I don't know if this is poison ivy. Stop! He's going up. Quickly! Whoa! Pumpkin's on the ground.
you guys got that.
Come here.
Did you get that video? Did you get the video?
Yeah, we're sitting right now.
Did you get the one he just did though?
Wait for this to be right here. Okay.
Hang on, buddy. He's gonna figure it out. Hang on. More speed.
Over the worst one.
More speed.
He'll get up.
Watch out, boys. Kill.
Watch out, so if he comes up fast, we can move out the way.
What do you say? Ain't happening?
Hey, you almost had it.
Yeah.
You were over the first one. It's just that second one. At this fork in the road, we decided to go left. Just down the hill, there were some very deep ruts that the Jeep slipped into, and we were left stranded on our belly plate. During the morning's ride, Jim's Jeep's brakes had failed, and he did a great job to snatch me out of the ruts without brakes. We regrouped at the fork in the road, and found that Jim's brake hose had broken off. Fortunately, he had a spare, and Justus had some brake fluid, and we were able to do another roadside repair and get his brakes working again. We then set off down the fork to the right, only to find a tree across the track. First, Justus took the route around the tree, and he slipped right off the track, and Jim followed him, hoping to recover him, and slipped off in the same way.
He is trying to winch himself out. Here we go. There has to be someone here. There has to be someone. Gosh.
Good?
Right, come some more.
Alright, I'm in gear yet.
Think about daylight.
Vacation watch.
Yeah, I'm just thinking daylight, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because we start risking.
Alright, it could be enough.
With Jim now out, the boys started to play in the mud, while we set up to recover Justus.
Go!
What do you think?
To me, Justus, to me. Okay, straight, go. Whoa, 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 wait, stop. Stop, you're gonna ride over the strap. We carried on a little bit further down the trail, but found a number of big trees across the trail with no route around. So decided that as Justus still had to travel back to Indiana, it was time to head home. We all agreed that Justus's Jeep should be called Can-Do, after everything that it did on this trip. And as he set off, we had fond memories of good times and great friends. Stay tuned, or better yet subscribe for more videos of the road less explored.